What up, YouTube? It's your boy Mooney H here with a new video with an install for mod underneath the hood of Thunder. And what I'm gonna be installing today is a Billet technology oil catch can. So let's not delay. Let's get started. All right, so I have everything laid out right here. You have your braided hose. You have your cap ends, which are same color as the catch can and same color as Thunder. And the couple tools that you're going to need: the interior cap remover. I got my razor just in case I need to cut the hose, and my socket, which is it's a 1/2 inch. All right. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is remove this hose right here. All right. That wasn't too bad. And you don't want to throw this away. You want to hold on to this, keep this, just in case you want to just go back to factory settings. You just take the catch can back off and reinstall this. So you want to keep that. All right. And there's another thing we need to remove this bracket right here, this wire, and this inside this block right here. So remove that. Put your spacer on. Take my socket. Not gonna make it too tight. I gotta make my adjustments and everything. Put one of the brass fittings into this end right here. Push it all the way till it don't go anymore. And the other brass fitting is gonna go right here. All right, made my cut for this side. Put my cap on. That's that. And put my cap on for this side. Let's see. Right there. Back for my cut. All right, made my cut. And put this up. All right, now let me tighten her up. Make sure she's nice and level. Don't want to over tighten it. Break that bolt inside the block. Just want to get it nice and sturdy. And there you have it. Billet technology or catch can. Make sure this is nice and tight. All right. And there you have the install. All right, YouTube, if you like the content you just saw, don't forget to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so you'll be in the know when a new video comes in. Peace.